If you're planning a trip out to the far western North Carolina area, here is a place that might serve as a great base camp for you. Okay, we're in room 279 of the Valley Tower. Hey, we're going to look at the bathroom first. This is the newer tower, by the way. Let's see. They got some body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Nothing fancy. Looks clean. Shower does anyway. Close that up. Just the one sink. This is a comped room we got on a Sunday night. A semi-private toilet. It looks pretty clean. Yeah, it looks pretty clean too. Now, passed the toilet test. Couple of dents right there. And a little scrape right there for a new hotel tower. That's a little surprising. Water pressure looks good. Okay. I would say the bathroom area passes muster. So again, we got a king size bed in the new tower. There's another little, I don't know, can you see that little ding there? I got some like crap laid around. There's a little coffee machine. Coffee, decaf and regular. What's nice is they do have a refrigerator. We got some of our stuff in there for tomorrow. That's nice. And they also have a microwave. So I'll close that. You know, I actually passed something here, which I need to go back and a little closet here. An ironing board. Your basic iron. And there's your safe. And there's some space underneath there if you have shoes and stuff you want to keep in there. That's nice. No fancy hangers. They'll do. Nice mirror. There's your control for your thermostat. And some charging and little lights, light switches. And a little desk if you have some work to do. There's a chair, suitcase is sitting on it for the time being. And lots of more charging, and this is for that. You probably can't see it. That's kind of a nice touch there. And then that light there. Not overly fancy, but it's pretty nice. We hadn't been here in about 2 years. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, a mattress cover. That's good to have. Of course, you know what I'm doing, looking to see if there's any bed bugs. I don't see any. With that mattress cover, that's nice. A lot of places don't have those. Oh, I forgot to show you the fantastic view we have outside our window. Looks to be a construction area. So, not crazy about the view, but for free, can't complain about it too much. Okay, that's a quick look at our room here at Harrah's Cherokee Valley River. And now we're going to explore some other areas inside the casino and other places. We'll see you soon.
It's a nice view.
Yeah, looks like it. Shame they're not open right now.
Well, I guess they're open for dinner.
Yeah, they probably don't open till 5 or something.
If we could see a menu, there might be something we could eat in there if we could get a table.
So this is the 10th floor. Let's see. Some seats out here, but
I guess when you check in, they tell you all this.
I guess, well, there's somebody in there, but there's no signage out here either about what time they open, which is kind of weird.
Yeah.
But that's it. Okay, this is, I don't know what they're doing out here. Let's see. Okay, this is the spa. Meeting rooms. Well, looks like a smallish indoor pool, but there's nobody down there, so maybe they're not open yet. Looks nice. Obviously, looks like it hasn't been used yet. Looks new. Looks clean. So this is the level, that would be the level down from where I'm currently at the spa level. Just right here. And that's the entrance to the spa. I don't want to walk in there because, you know, privacy and all that kind of thing. Okay.
We can do a selfie with,